Hello friends, I am Chef Piyush and today I will show you how to make whole wheat coffee cake. It is made using whole wheat as the main ingredient and contains a little bit of refined flour. This cake has no refined sugars but contains jaggery, which is a healthier option. This healthy cake is easy to make and contains simple ingredients. So let's start making this wonderful cake. In a pan, I will combine the chopped jaggery with water to boil until completely melted, which I will do after weighing all my dry ingredients. In another bowl, I will combine the whole wheat flour, refined flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt and instant coffee powder and will mix all the ingredients together. I will take out everything from the frame which is of no use to us now. I will now start boiling my already made jaggery and water on the induction. I will boil till the time jaggery gets melt in the water. I will pour the strained syrup of jaggery in the dry ingredients now. Make sure the syrup should be at the room temperature while mixing with the dry ingredients. I will mix the remaining two ingredients, which are refined oil and vanilla essence. Now my cake mixture is ready. It's time to line my cake pan for the baking. I will use clarified butter to line my cake pan. I'm gonna spread the clarified butter nicely on all the surface first. Then I will coat the pan with refined flour. This will not let my mixture to stick on the sides of the baking pan while baking. I will pour the cake mixture in the lined baking pan and place the pan in the preheated convection oven at 170 degrees centigrade for approximately 35 to 40 minutes for the baking. I will check the baking of my cake by inserting a skewer. If it comes out clean, then my cake is ready. My cake is cooled now and I have transferred it on a serving plate. Now let's take a slice out from the cake and see how it looks like. Great. Now I will top my cake with coffee sugar foam. To know the recipe of it, please refer to my last video of Dalgona coffee. I will drizzle cocoa powder on top. My whole wheat coffee cake is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this on YouTube.